A new study is raising alarms about the health of American women.
The study finds that the U.S. now has the lowest life expectancy among 14 high-income countries. ABC's Allison Kosick has more.
This morning, a wake-up call for women's health. A new study finds women in the U.S. live on average 80 years. That's 5 years fewer than women in other high-income nations.
We have the lowest life expectancy, highest rate of avoidable deaths, highest rate of cardiovascular deaths. And this all really comes from the US being the one country in the analysis that doesn't have a universal health system.
One major factor, researchers say, is racial and ethnic disparities here in the U.S., with Black and Hispanic women more likely to lack health insurance and forgo visits to primary care doctors who can catch medical issues early.
Women in the US, particularly Black women, are more likely to say that they have at least one social service need, which includes not having nutritious foods, not being able to pay their bills, all those sorts of things that go beyond healthcare, but we know directly affect health outcomes.
American women are also more likely to have multiple chronic health conditions, poor diet, a lack of exercise, and obesity among the factors. The report also finding women in the U.S. face unique social and economic pressures, including a significant gender pay gap that can weigh on mental health. Meanwhile, a separate study out this morning on aging pinpoints two specific ages when our bodies go through physical decline: age 44 and age 60. Researchers say it's around those two birthdays when our bodies can see significant changes in metabolism, cardiovascular health, and immune function. Allison Kosick, ABC News, New York.
And scientists say the changes in metabolism mean the body is breaking down food differently, but they say more research is needed on how those changes affect our health.
And our coverage of health news can also be found at WQAD.com. Head to our website and you'll find Your Health in the search bar at the top of the page. In fact, you can find all of our Your Health stories in that section of WQAD.com.